Welcome to a new vlog. Today we're in Split, Croatia. We want to explore a little bit the town. We are already in the harbor. First stop of today is gonna be Riva. It's a famous alley here in Split. So let's get going and I'll show you how it is, what we see on our way there. And to show you a little bit more, there are lots of boats here. We are moving to our first destination of the day, which is Riva. It must be around here somewhere. Let's get going. First impression, Split. It's very crowded. Lots of tourists. I'm not surprised because as you see those cruise boats here, they bring lots of tourists. And this is the street we are looking for, this one with the palm trees. If you want a viewpoint, here is a roof bar. There are lots of restaurants and terraces here if you want to enjoy a drink, a coffee or even lunch or dinner. This is the perfect place with this lovely view. Now that we had our walk on Riva, we are going to the next stop of the day, which is the viewpoint of a Split. We have to climb some stairs. And I think we arrived at the stairs. I'll show you now. These are the stairs.
I call her baby. She's totally spoiled.
They're very cute. It looks like we have lots of stairs. We don't know how many. We'll see. Hopefully not too many. I think we arrived at the viewpoint. We arrived at the viewpoint that we wanted to see. But because there were those stairs and we were absolutely sweating, we stopped at the terrace to have some drinks, and then we're gonna go there and take some photos and enjoy the view before going down again.
Once we got to the old center, we went straight to Diocletian Palace, one of the most known touristic sites here in Split. You have to have in mind if you come to this city that is very crowded, especially on summer, so if you want to avoid this, come here early morning, like in any place.
I got to this beautiful lady and I try to hang out.
I'm taking a break here because it's very hot.
You want to go out with me tonight?
We found a place here at Tiffany's restaurant, and they say they have air conditioning inside. It's a good way to make people come inside because it's very hot outside.
Diocletian's Palace is considered one of the most imposing Roman ruins, and it was a massive structure that contains not only the palace itself but also buildings intended for housing military garrison.
If you want to visit everything, there are 15 euros. I think it's included everything. The cathedral, bell tower, crypt, treasury. Yeah. It's way too crowded. You can't even breathe because it's too hot. And I think we're gonna move forward to maybe we'll find different places like to really enjoy them. I'm sorry, but I don't have the patience for this. Not today. I expected crowds, but I think this is more than I can take at the moment. If you want to visit something different, specialty museum, Froggyland, world's unique collection of stuffed frog. I think it's interesting to visit if you have kids.
After visiting the old center of Split, on our way to the parking, we saw a market where locals sell fruits, veggies, clothes and other stuff.
And this is where we parked in Split near the center. These are the prices, and we'll see how much we pay. We finished visiting the old town of Split, and now we're going to Klis Fortress. It's somewhere outside the city. We saw it on our way to Split, and we don't want to miss it because it looked very nice from the highway. We'll see if it's as nice as we saw it from far away. I think the view is magnificent. We'll see that once we get there. Hopefully we can visit it because we know nothing about it. Unfortunately, it's not inside the town, so you'll need the transportation there. If I find any alternative for you, I'll leave them in the description box. I don't know if you can tell, but the fortress, it's somewhere there. And we are nearly there. This one is the fortress from the top. We arrived at the fortress. So here in this area is the parking. We have to go up here a little bit. The parking was free, I think. We didn't have to pay anything.
Klis Fortress was an important military fortress that defended Split for centuries. After the fall of the Roman Empire, Klis passed into Byzantine hands before the Avar Slavic invasion. The Ottomans destroyed the church at the top of the fortress and built a mosque. When Klis was regained by Christians, they repurposed the mosque of St. Vitus Church. The fortress became famous among the tourists when some episodes of Game of Thrones were filmed here. The entrance costs 10 euros per person, and as I said earlier, the parking is free.
It's quite a big fortress, and now I'm at the higher point of it, and this is the view on one side. And here's the view to the other side.
Once you finish visiting the fortress, you can stay at one of the restaurants nearby for having a meal or a drink.
We came back to Split to visit the beaches to see which one is the best. For this one we are just stopping to see what it's about and to show you to you. It looks like it's very crowded, but the sand is fine and the entrance to the water is smooth. It's called Bagbice Beach. Okay, and now we are going to a different beach to see what's about as well. We're not gonna stay, it's called Firule Beach, and then we're gonna go to the last beach that we're gonna visit, and we're gonna stop there for the rest of the day. And this is Firule Beach. I think I'm pronouncing correctly. As you can see, that's not a proper beach, there are pebbles. And this is the second part of this beach. This one has a little bit of sand. Here is concrete, and over there it's a little bit of sand, smooth entry to the water.
At the end of our exploring day, we stopped at a pebble beach whose name I can't pronounce. I leave it written here. We actually like this beach very much. The water was so clear. Although there are lots of people, the atmosphere was very relaxing and we like it very much, so we recommend it. And with this we finish our vlog as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you guys with the next adventure.